For today's lesson, we're going to learn about the idiom, the jury is out. Another variation of this would be, the jury is still out. And it simply means that things are undecided. A decision has not been made as yet, or a decision has yet to be made. We can use this in the context of relationships. Let's say your friend just got a new boyfriend and you're trying to get the 411. You're trying to learn how her family has responded to him. And so you say to her, "Hey, Felicia, so what's going on? What do your parents think about Marco?" And she says, "The jury's still out," meaning her parents haven't decided what they think about him. They're still getting to know him maybe and learn about him, see how he treats their daughter. So they haven't made up their mind yet as to what to think of him. So the jury is out. The jury's still out. Well, Your Honor, that's all I have to say. I rest my case. And so, ladies and gentlemen of the jury, I rest my case. For today's lesson, we're going to talk about the expression, I rest my case. Now, if you are in the legal field, this is an expression that you can use, or you might have heard in a movie or something. So what happens is an attorney, after they have made their arguments, they're getting ready to close their arguments, and they are making one final petition to the judge or to the jury to side with their way, to go their way, then they will say, after they've said everything else, they will say, "I rest my case." And it simply means, I'm done talking. That's it. Like, this is my conclusion. I have nothing else to say. I have nothing else to present. And so that's what the expression, I rest my case, means. We simply use it after we've made our point and we've provided or presented all the evidence or claims or anything that we're going to use to try to show that we are correct.